There's really just one constant supply of energy in the entire universe, and that is the thinking of the Creator, our thinking. And it does not take speed into consideration because it happens simultaneously at once in the entire universe. This is one way of understanding what that universal constant supply really mean. In this garden hose, we can see a constant flow of water coming out of the nozzle. Let's just say that in this constant flow, it can fill this bucket in 15 seconds. Okay? So now, when I pinch the nozzle, that means that the area where the water is flowing is reduced. What we now observe is that the speed of the water as it exits the nozzle significantly increased, and its pressure also increased. That is because it must maintain that constant flow in a restricted path. So, when I fill this same bucket of water at this flow, it must still be filled in 15 seconds. Even if I've closed the nozzle, say for 10 seconds, so no water can flow into the bucket, the pressure could build up inside the tube, that when I release it, the water will rush. It could only fill this bucket with that 5 seconds remaining. So there's a lot of factor where we cannot do that demonstration here, because as I close the nozzle, the water will stop entering into this tube and will just continuously flow in the main tube towards the houses in my area. However, the suspension of the universal constant, no matter how long we hold it, an hour, a day, a year, a century, or even in a billion of years, it will eventually find its way of expressing that flow of energy. And the longer the period, the greater the pressure build up, the higher its potential.